Let's go through what is multi-seller cart. By a normal tradition, usually what happens is that, for example, let's say this is a marketplace. What you'll do is that you just go to a certain item, and then you will click buy now, and then you make a purchase. Yeah, when you make that, previously the cart will allow only to use and purchase an items from a single seller. For example, this is a fashion store. So if I add a product by the from the fashion store, I'll be able to make a purchase. Now what we have done is that we have allowed products from multi-sellers. So I'm going to tell what happens when we add an item into the multi-seller, how the shipments are going to be divided. So a fashion store I already added. Maybe I will add this product. Let's buy this as well. So you can see from here, this item is from the fashion store, and then this is from the from another store. So I'm just going to make a delivery address. Sorry, a delivery order, and let's not worry about this. I will explain it later, and then check out. So if I go to my orders, so you can see here, this sound is from my mobile that I have received an order. As a seller, I have received an order as well. But let's go to this order detail as a buyer. So you can see here the item number 1 from the fashion store is created as a one shipment, and then the item number 2 from the Demi Vuitton has been created as a shipment 2. So this seller and this seller will have a different order status, so they can update the order status, and as a buyer you will get the order status per item. So just to remind, previously under the order details you'll be able to find only one items from the only one seller. So you will have an order status on the whole global order level. Now it's based on the shipment thing. If you have, as most of you have purchased in Amazon or major e-commerce companies, you who are like a sort of like a marketplaces, you'd have already seen this. This was something which was missing in our platform. This is a good enhancement, so we made it. And also you can track orders and all those things based on the shipment itself instead of the order. All right, cool. Copied and pasted this notification from my mailbox. So you can see here, this is the buyer. This order notification is to the seller. Okay, it's to me, and this guy is the buyer, and he made a purchase of this hooded pullover sweater. If you have noticed, when we made the order, we ordered 2 items. The buyer ordered the 2 items, but when the seller received, he received the only 1 item. It's because he received the order notification only for his item and his shipment, nothing more than that. That's why it's only like his amount, and the seller what is the commission here up after the platform commission, what is his earnings, blah blah. You can see the order details in the marketplace website. As a seller, if I want to change the order status, I can change the status. So I can inform the buyer that my order is in progress. Okay, and also you can see that again and again. You only see the shipment items only. Let's say I, as a buyer, I make from this store a 2 purchase from the same seller, 2 purchase. You will still find shipment 1 and shipment 2. So the shipments or the order status and all this flow is based on item level. So maybe in your shop you have a stock for 1 item now. Okay, maybe for another item you will have only next week. So you can process only this shipment, and then the next item you can process next week. Yeah. So this enhancement can really help like serious businesses who are into like a multi-vendor marketplaces. For the buyer, right, you can see here this shipment to, and this item, once the seller made the updated with the shipment, you can see here this update. But if you see these items status, it has not changed. Okay, and it's super clear. So now it's like 25 7:17, and this order status changed on 7:15 a.m. So that's how it's get updated. If I wanted to update this status again, for example, telling, I mean, as a seller, now I'm telling, okay, this item is shipped. Okay, and I just refresh this. You should be able to, the shipment number item 2 should have the shipped status. Okay, that's how it works.